I want to have that 90 going 16 inches up. Right there. Whoop. So, what I'm going to do, as you can see on the bender, stubs to 6 inches. See, that's your deduction. So at 16 inches, I'm going to deduct 6, which will be 10 inches. So let's mark at 10 inches. 10 plus 6, 16. Very basic. So let's bend this 90 right now. I didn't mark all the way around the conduit like a lot of people do. You get it right to your stub up arrow right here. And get that just perfect on your arrow. Stand right here. Now you're going to bend it. Bend it. Do heavy foot pressure on your bend. Keep it going. Keep it going. Yeah! Keep it going. Looks like I overbent it a little bit. Let's check this out. Take your level. Sure enough. It's overbent. Big deal. Push back. Adjust it out. Half inch is a lot easier to do this. Still a little overbent. Push back. Still way overdone. Give it a couple torques there. There we go. Just about. A little bit more. Check it out. After a while, you won't even really need to use the torpedo level. You can level it up with the square of the building and the eyesight, and you won't even have to use a level. But level is really good. Make sure you're not bending it on a carpet floor or an uneven slope in a driveway or something like that. Otherwise, it's not going to work. There's your 90. I'm going to get a 16-inch 90. Let's check it out. Pull out tape measure. We deducted that 6. Look at that. There's a 16-inch 90 right there.